It's so cold now, it's so cold now. Winter is here, winter is here. I like to play with my doll, I like to play with my doll. Winter is here, winter is here. Hello everyone, how are you all? This is my doll Rapunzel. Doll. So, today we are going to learn letter D. Here is the letter D. This is capital D and this is small d. And the sound of letter D is D. D says D. Do you want to listen to a story of letter D? Come on, let's start. So, let us start with the story. This is the story of letter D. Now, here is our character, Danny the dog. Once upon a time, there was a dog. His name was Danny. And Danny was very funny. He was very lively and he wanted to talk a lot. So, one day he thought, let me go to my friend's place and talk to them. So, he thought to go to his friend, the deer. Here is the deer. So, deer was in his house and Danny went to his house and knocked the door. Hey, ha, ho! Open the door. Hey, ha, ho! Open the door. So, the deer asked, who is that? Danny said, this is Danny the dog. I want to talk to you. So the deer said, not now, not now. Come afterwards, I'm busy now. So Danny said, okay, I will go. Come afterwards, I'm going. So he went inside. He opened the door, went inside his home, closed the door and slept. Then next day, when the sun rised, he opened the door, came out of his home and he thought, let me go and meet my another friend. So he went to his friend, the duck. And he went to its place and knocked the door. Hey, ha, ho! Open the door. Hey, ha, ho! Open the door. So the duck asked, who is that? Danny said, this is Danny the dog. So the duck said, what happened, Danny? Why are you here? Danny said, I want to talk to you. I was feeling bored at home. So duck said, not now, not now. Come afterwards. I'm busy. So Danny said, okay, and he went inside his home, opened the door, went inside his home, closed the door and slept. Next day, he opened the door, came out of his house and he thought, let me go and meet my friend, the dolphin. Here is the dolphin. So Danny went to his friend's place, the dolphin, and he said, knock, knock. Hey, ha, ho! Open the door. Hey, ha, ho! You all can say with me. Hey, ha, ho! Open the door. So dolphin asked, who is that? Danny said, this is Danny the dog. Dolphin said, hello Danny, why are you here? So Danny said, I want to talk to you. But the dolphin said, oh, not now, not now. I'm busy, come afterwards. So Danny said, okay, and he went to his home, opened the door, went inside and slept. And said, like that, so many days passed. After many days, all the three friends, the deer, the duck, and the third friend, the dolphin, all three of them thought, let us go and meet our friend Danny the dog who came to visit us, but we could not talk to him as we were busy. So all three of them went to the Danny's place and they said, knock, knock. Hey, ha, Ho! Open the door. Danny asked, Hey, who is that? They said, I am the deer. I'm the duck. I'm the dolphin. He opened the door, came out of his house and said, Hello friends, how are you? I'm so happy to see you. Come inside my home. So they all went and they talked to each other a lot, and after talking, they danced. Danced. All of you danced with me? Dance. So that is the story. And did you like the story? Then you can tell me later. Let's learn how to write letter D. First, we have to make a straight line. Up to down. Straight line. Top to bottom like this. Down, 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 down till here. After that, we have to make a semicircle like this. Touch the top line. Curve, come down. Round, 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 round and go inside like this. A semicircle. This is capital D. Now let's make small letter D. Straight line, up to down, 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 top to bottom, till here. Now again we have to make a circle. Start from here, touch the middle line, round and round and round. Then again touch the lower line and go up like this. So this is our capital D and this is small d. Let us recap the words with letter D. This is the Danny the dog. This is the duck. This is the dolphin. And this is the deer. Now let us learn how to remember this letter D with the help of a sign language. So this is the sign of letter D. All the fingers here, thumb here and the first finger straight. This is the letter D. Okay, so today we learn letter D. We also learn different finger puppets. You can make your own different finger puppets on any topic and you can play and learn a lot. So if you like my channel, please hit the like button and do comment. Thank you and bye-bye.